Is there any paint?
No, when you paint something, come in your hand.
So this time it is not required to wash your hand? This time?
It is required.
Why? You want to know that?
Yeah.
Actually, we can't see germs. Germs are there on our hand. We can't see germs with our naked eye. For that
Show that red, green, all that.
I will. But you know what? We need a microscope or a glass. For that we can see our germs. There are so many germs on my hand right now. Yes. Although it is looking very clean, but we have so many germs, little teeny tiny bad germs. I don't like these germs, Yeah?
Is that so different?
These are same that day I showed you, See, these are germs and I don't want to allow them to go inside my stomach. Right?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Am I extra color?
Yes, sit back. I can't see you, Betu. Okay, now we know why we wash our hands. So, is it okay to wash our hand with the help of water?
Yes.
Only with water?
Soap.
Huh?
Soap.
With soap, we need water and soap also, right? Liquid soap.
Yes.
And any soap.
You want?
Any soap.
Yes.
Yes, so we need water and soap just to wash our hand. Only with water we can't wash our hand, right?
Yeah.
Why? I need a proof. Why it is not required? Only water. Why we can't wash our hand with the help of water? Come on, tell me. Because Betu, water is not very powerful to take off all the germs which are there on our hands. So that we need any soap, because soap or any soap liquid or sanitizer are called disinfectant. What we call? Yes, all the infectious germs will rinse out if we will wash with soap. So, always we have to wash our hand with soap and water. With soap and water. Okay, now if you are not, if you are not agree with my statement, we are going to do one experiment, right?
Yeah.
You want to see one experiment?
Yes.
Yes, in that experiment, we can prove that without soap, if we wash our hand, all germs would be there only. They will not rinse off.
Yes.
And with help of soap, we can fight with germs. Dishum. And they will go away. Yes?
Yeah.
And we want that only. We want to fight with these germs and want to remove from our hand, right?
Yeah.
So, I have one experiment, one tricky experiment for you. Do you want to see that?
Yes.
You want to see that?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm table.
Yes, it is here. It is here. Okay?
Yes.
Now I am showing you experiment here. I need one plate. Do you have one plate with you?
Yes.
Yes. Now keep it with you and we will fill little water in it. What we will fill?
Oh, you want a bowl like this one?
No, it is okay. It is only little water we required.
Oh, okay. This is a...
More.
Okay. Just fill it. Yes. Now it is enough. Now it is enough, Betu. Now you can see what I have. I have black pepper powder. What?
Black pepper powder.
Yes. Do you have that?
I don't have that.
Okay.
I want black pepper. My mom is giving. My mom is giving.
Yes, you know what? These black pepper, suppose these black pepper are germs. Oh my god, black germs, dirty germs, right?
Yeah.
What are they? Suppose, means you just pretend, yeah, we are pretending like these are germs. What are they?
Germs.
Yes, and this is clean water, no? This is clean water?
Yeah.
And we are spreading some germs. Oh god. Spread it all over the water layer. Like this. Now you can see. See how it will look. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. You have to do the same procedure. Okay? Do it. Just spread.
I don't have anything.
Mama is bringing. Don't you worry. Don't you worry.
What does she have to do, man? What do you have to do?
You have to do. Suppose these are our germs. These black pepper, and we have to spread all over the.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Little more. More. These are germs, dirty and bad germs. They make us sick. Oh God, I don't want them. Okay, good. Done. Now you can see. Now keep it aside, that ball.
I have any more.
Okay, drop all those. No, if you have so much, then don't. Okay, now look here. Now see, Betu, take one finger of yours and drop it. Just dip inside and you will see all germs are there on your finger, right? No. All germs are there on your finger, right? Yes?
Yes. Huh?
Why is it going to say that?
I said just to show, Betu, I say it just to show that if you will wash your hand with only water, your germs will be on your finger, right?
Yeah.
Yes, now we will clean.
In my bathroom.
Yeah, so I am taking liquid soap on my finger. See, look here. And with soap, I will dip my finger inside. When I will dip my finger inside, now see, all germs will run away. Suddenly, they all will run away. When you will do it, now you will see that. When you will do it, you will see that.
Show me your finger.
Yes, and now dip it. See, they are run away. Yes?
No? Or yes?
Yes.
Right?
Right? So what it means, come on, tell me.
Wow.
Yes. Good, you got it, Betu. Right? The soap. Yes, so soap should be there. And now I will use soap on my hand. I will fight with this germ. See how I am doing? Zoo, 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 zoo. And all germs
Run away.
run away. Yes, we won.
I also have germs.
Now your turn. Now it's your turn. Now you have to do it. Come on. Keep all germs on your sheet, on your hand. Keep your germs on your hand.
The hand in the sheet.
Yes.
Hand over here. The germs are in your hands, okay?
And now fight. Yes, now with the help of soap, we will fight with them. Come on, fight it.
I'm trying.
Yeah, show me.
And remove all the germs from your hand.
Pretend like you're washing. Yeah.
Ooh,